Hi viewers, my name is Bhavya Nair. Welcome to Financial Academia. Today we are going to talk about investment in stock market. So basic things that you need to know about the stock market. When we talk about the stock market, the first thing that comes in our mind is easy and quick money. Is that so? We can also say as easy and quick way of losing money if not invested properly. Stock market is just one of the investment options for an individual. Returns here are more compared to any other investment options available anywhere. When you plan to invest in stock market, the first thing you need is money. Second is your risk appetite. That is, how much risk are you willing to take for the investment that you have made. And the third thing is patience. That is the time horizon for which you are investing in it. It takes time to reap your benefit. That is, whatever you have invested to get the return, it will take some time, right? So you should have that much of patience to know when to enter and exit from the market. Apart from all this, the very important thing that you require is to do research on the scripts that you plan to invest in. That is the shares that you're planning to buy from the market. So you have to do a thorough research on a particular share, that is the fundamental analysis as well as technical analysis. So when I talk about fundamental analysis, I talk about the company annual report, news, and so many things: cash flow statement, income statement, balance sheet. And when I talk about technical analysis, I'm talking about technical charts, patterns which are used to assume the price of the share in future. So these two things have to be done properly by you to get a proper benefits from the investment that you're making. Now, if you're ready with your investment, you have made up your mind, you have done your thorough research to invest in, now you have to decide whether you want to invest on daily basis, that is purchase and sell daily, or we call it as intraday, or you can go for second option, that is short term investment, that is investing your money for 3 to 6 months or so on. Or the third option, we call it as long term investment, where you're putting a huge amount of money for say 3 to 5 years, and then after 5 years you remove your money with profits. Now, apart from deciding whether you want to invest in short term, long term, or on intraday basis, you also have to decide that whether you're going to play in volume, that is buy in huge quantity at lesser price, or buy less quantity at higher price. Now for this, the best example is IOB, which is currently running at 15 to 17 rupees. Okay, so there will be people who can't afford to buy shares of huge amount. Say like HDFC goes around 1440, that is 1440 rupees. And if you go to buy for L&T, then you have to pay around 1300 and something for one share. So people who can't purchase such companies share, they prefer to buy the shares of those companies which prices are very low but in huge quantity. So if I take IOB as an example, so IOB is right now at 15.65 rupees. So if I buy for say for 1000 quantity, so multiply by 15, so I have to pay around 15,000 or 16,000 rupees, and the moment it increases by 2 rupees, I get a benefit of 2000 rupees, right? So this is how I play in huge volume. So with the example of IOB, I guess you must have understood how do people buy in volume at a lesser price. Now suppose if I want to invest in blue chip companies whose prices are very high, say for HDFC Bank, okay, it runs for 1440 something. So I last week I purchased this particular share and I bought it for 1379, that is 1379 rupees, and I waited for a week and it jumped to 1440. So I couldn't buy 1000 quantity because it's not that much money I don't have with me. Okay, so in that case what I do is I buy a lesser quantity, say for 60 quantity if I purchase. Okay, so 60 quantity when I purchase, I have to pay around some 65-75,000, and when I pay the next day, within 2 days, I saw that there was a price hike of 40 rupees. That means that HDFC Bank had increased its price within 2 days from 1379 to 1440. So I got a benefit of around 50-60 rupees. So when I multiply that 60 rupees with 60 shares, I get a profit of 3600 rupees. right? So this is how I play in price. I buy less quantity of higher value shares. So we have that option to select what kind of trading we want to do, whether we want to do in volume or whether we want to do in price, but we need to do a proper research on what type of shares we want to invest in. So when we plan to invest in stock market, it is very much necessary for us to do our own research on each and every share, and for the time horizon we are going to invest in it. That is, whether I'm going to invest it for intraday, or am I going to invest in short term, or am I going to invest it for long term basis. So this is how the whole analysis take place for the stock market. Hope this was useful for you all, and if you liked it, do like this video.